When you look at a great piece of art for the first time, you can sense you're standing in front of a masterpiece. That's how I feel about the new BMW 7. It's our masterpiece. Welcome, dear friends of BMW. So glad you could be with us for this special moment today. The world premiere of our new BMW 7. The new 7 embodies everything BMW is about: state-of-the-art technology and revolutionary design. It's the most innovative, cutting-edge automobile in the luxury segment. And for the first time in the history of the 7, the top performance model will be fully electric. The 7 is about creating great impressions. Here's how it welcomes you. It's a great entrance moment that literally invites you to get in and drive. Of course, it also works with your smartphone. Now join me for a first ride. This is the Bmw i7, more than 600 kilometers of electric range. But our new 7 series will also convince those who are not yet fully into e-drive for whatever reason. It is the first all-electric luxury sedan to come as a plug-in hybrid or with highly efficient combustion engine as well. And soon, this car will offer Level 3 highly automated driving functions. So, you will even be able to take your hands off the steering wheel for a while. The 7 Series is one of the best cars to be driven in too. How does it feel? A bit like this, I would say. The rear of the 7 is a very special place. A place to feel comfortable. To me, taking a seat here is like taking a leap into the future every time. And speaking of impressive moments, one of my favorite highlights is hidden here: the Bmw Theater Screen. But more on that later. Regarding technology, take my word for it, this car has everything a car can possibly have. And it's all sustainably manufactured, as you would expect from BMW. The Bmw 7 is a masterpiece of German engineering and far ahead of its time. Great art moves the hearts and minds. The new 7 does even more. It moves bodies, hearts, and minds. You simply have to experience it for yourselves firsthand.
Design is at the crossroads between engineering and art. Art can inspire people in very personal and surprising ways. Often, modern art is an experience for all senses. And that is exactly what we wanted to create with the design of the Bmw i7. An experience designed around comfort, space, and privacy. An experience tailored to our most discerning customers. Let's start with the interior, where we really want our customers to feel at home. First, we have increased the amount of space and the seating comfort. And then we have made the space truly warm and inviting using natural materials such as cashmere wool and leather. In this private lounge, our customer will have a lot of technology at their disposal. But following our new Shy-Tech approach, the number of switches has actually been reduced. In the front of the car, you will find our curved display, now in combination with our brand new interaction bar. This integrates the ambient light and air conditioning controls into a single, beautiful and rewarding aesthetic experience. In the rear of the Bmw i7, we are introducing our new theater screen. The theater mode sets the scene for the most outstanding and immersive entertainment experience on four wheels. Looking at the exterior, the BMW i7 has a strong presence and very clean, monolithic shapes. The front end shows a new arrangement of grille and lamps, expressing its BMW identity through a new light signature. This signature is unmistakable and will remain the preserve for our top-of-the-line models. Overall, the new BMW i7 is a perfect expression of modern luxury, human-centric, electric, and tech magic. The i7 will make your driving experiences extremely rewarding and will create unforgettable moments on board. And now, Jenna will show you more.
Wow. Let's go check out some more. Now, on to one of my favorite features, which is my modes. Okay, what are we in the mood for? Expressive, relaxed, digital art. I hear that relax activates the massage. And now I'm gonna test out the features of the captain's chair. As much as I like driving, I really like lounging. But I am curious because Adrian van Hooijdonk mentioned something about the theater screen. Let's try it out. I really want to learn more about the theater screen, and I know just who to ask. Hey, BMW. Who is the expert for the BMW Theater Screen?
Hello, Jenna. You should talk to Tarek Saki.
Hi, Tarek. It's so great to meet you.
Hi, Jenna. It's really great to see you.
Now, tell me a little bit about what makes the BMW Theater Screen so special.
So the BMW Theater Screen is a rear seat entertainment system with an ultra-wide 31-inch touch display that is more capable than ever.
Now, it sounds like a lot has not only gone into the design, but the technology. I would imagine this is something you and your team have worked tirelessly on.
Indeed, I can tell you that the entire team has really put genuine care to create a product that our customers would truly love. And you can combine the system as well with the magical 4D diamond surround sound from Bowers & Wilkins with over 30 speakers that are perfectly positioned to create a crystal clear audio quality.
It's definitely one thing to hear the audio, but to be able to feel it in the seats, it really does give it that 4D experience, which really takes it to the next level.
Correct. It's like your private 4D cinema lounge at the back seat of your car. And the built-in Amazon Fire TV gives access to a wide variety of content so that passengers can enjoy streaming videos, listening to music, playing games, and many more, all while on the road. And you'll also have the capability to connect your personal devices via an HDMI input.
So it sounds like the passengers in the back have quite some entertainment. What is it like for the passengers in the front?
I'm glad you asked. For the first time, the driver and the front passenger can also enjoy video on demand services, for example, while parking or charging. You've probably seen we've integrated YouTube over the entire width of our large control display. And this is just the beginning of a new era of in-car entertainment experience.
So what you're saying is you can actually watch my YouTube channel in the BMW?
I'd love to watch it.
Now that we have all of the entertainment covered, I think there's only one thing left for me to do. I'm gonna go for a ride.
Have fun and enjoy. It was great seeing you.
Great to see you. Okay, now let's go outside. Oh yeah, this looks great. Oliver Zipse has previously mentioned that technologically, this car has everything a car can possibly offer. And that has me wondering what highly automated driving feels like. This is a level 2. And for a level 3, it gives you a little bit more freedom depending on the circumstances. You can look around, enjoy the scenery, and maybe even take a glance at your phone. The i7 really is a car that moves bodies, hearts, and minds. And on that note, I have to say goodbye, but I will see you guys again soon.